This segment is going to be about the air bladder. The air bladder, 5 of them in each Nexus, is literally the backbone of the system. It's what makes it all happen. So we're going to introduce you to each of its individual components, but we're going to start with the first step, which is installing the foam core. And later on, when we show you the topper, I'll show you why the foam core is important. If you come down here, the end of this 10-foot bladder, you're going to see the foam core. I've already put it through one side, and I'm going to show you that you just simply put it into the other side. Okay, just like that, so nice and relaxed. Next segment, we're going to show you how to fold it and roll it. Okay, folding and rolling the bladder. So I've pre-folded that end down there. You can see that I folded from your perspective, the left side, just to the valve. That's where you stop. On my end, I'm going to go ahead and fold it this way. And there's a couple ways you can do this. You can use, by the way, Scotch tape. If you'd like to put Scotch tape at maybe 3 intervals, especially if you're rolling them by yourself, that can be a little easier. When they're brand new, they're very easy to roll up by yourself. If you have a partner, it can make it a little bit easier yet. So that's the first thing. The next thing you do is fold the other side. Okay? You basically want to end up with roughly a bladder about the third the size it started as. Okay? That's the folding part. Now, what you do at this point is using this foam core as your core, you just start rolling it up. As you roll down, kind of keep it tucked in there. Again, this is where sometimes I've had some users that they prefer putting little Scotch tape along the side. When the air bladder inflates, it just breaks the tape and it's not a big deal. They find it sometimes easier to roll it up. But again, if you have someone helping you, it can go a lot faster, a little bit easier. But you can see I'm doing it by myself and I'm not struggling. So pretty straightforward. You roll it to about this point, right? It's about 3 feet long at this point. You don't roll it all the way, okay? The next thing I'm going to show you is how to install it in the actual main body of the Nexus. So let's get to that next.